In today's fast-paced, ever-changing IT business climate, you need a company that has the skill, knowledge, and resources to match this ever-changing landscape. For over 35 years, one company has been up to the task: CPS. CPS offers services that include planning, design, hardware and software sales, implementation, support, and cloud hosting. Whether you have a large or small organization, the CPS team is up to the challenge of being your business solutions partner. At CPS, we're America's certified IBM i-Series experts. What does that mean? Well, it means no matter what your needs are in the way of the IBM i-Series, we've got you covered. We offer new system sales, migration and updates to new power systems, OS upgrades and PTF updates, high availability and disaster recovery solutions, production and DR hosting for your IBM i. CPS has your IBM needs covered, but we're so much more than that. CPS is also your Windows Server and networking hardware, software, professional services, and managed services headquarters. Security and firewalls including ransomware protection, VMware and Hyper-V virtualization, Office 365, disaster recovery and DRAS solutions, managed services for your servers and desktops. CPS is more than just someone you do business with. We deliver a common sense approach to your IT needs. Best practices, best customer service, and the best results for your IBM and Microsoft platform needs. CPS.